Welcome to digital learning platform of Shri Guru Sudhindra College. Subject Industrial Economics. Topic Foreign Direct Investment. Foreign direct investment refers to when a company owns another company in different country. It is an investment made by a company or individual. Either they are buying the company or establishing the business operations in different nations, such as ownership or controlling interest in foreign companies. Now, let us see the merits of foreign direct investment. First one, employment generation. Foreign direct investment creates new jobs as investor builds new companies in the target country. It creates new opportunities. This leads to an increase in income and more buying power to the people. Second one, resource transfer. Foreign direct investment allows resource transfer and other exchanges of knowledge where various countries are given access to new technologies and skills. Third one, increment in income. As I already said, foreign direct investment creates employment opportunities. With more jobs and higher wages, the national income normally increases. As a result, larger corporations would usually offer a higher salary, which can lead to increment in income. Fourth one, development of backward areas. By establishing new business firms in backward areas, foreign direct investment enables the transformation of backward region in a country into industrial centers. This in turn provides employment opportunities to the surrounding people. Fifth one, increase in exports. Not all goods produced through foreign direct investment are used for domestic purpose. Many of these products have global markets, so it helps to increase the export opportunities. Sixth one, stimulation of economic development. When factories are constructed, at least some local labors, materials and equipments are utilized. Once the construction is completed, the factory will employ some local employees. The people who are employed by such factories have more money to spend. This leads to economic development. Now, let us discuss the demerits. First one, interruption to domestic investment. Because of foreign direct investment, local companies starts losing interest to invest in the domestic product as they get more profit from the FDI. If there is no competition from foreign direct investment, then local investors can easily invest on domestic products. Second one, the risk from political changes. As there is different rules and regulations in different countries, political movement can be changed constantly, which will affect the investors. Third one, high cost. If you invest in some foreign countries, it is more expensive than when you export goods. So it is necessary to prepare sufficient money to establish the business firm. It leads to increase in the cost. Thank you.